This 8 years later. Today marks 8 years since the city switched its water source to the Flint River. Tonight, we're checking back in on the situation for the people whose lives were changed by the toxic drinking water.
A deadline for them to get a piece of $600 million settlement is just weeks away. Consumer investigator Hank Winchester has been following the story from the very beginning. He's live in Flint tonight with what has changed over the last 8 years. Hank?
Karen, it's really hard to believe that so much time has passed, and when you drive around downtown Flint here, you'll notice a lot of change. There are new bars and restaurants and lofts. I mean, it's really incredible what they've been able to do. But when you get into the neighborhoods and really talk to the people that were affected by the water crisis, you'll see that things are far from over.
Flint today. When you walk around the city and you meet with the people, you get the real story. Forget about the things that grab the big headlines like the settlement deal or the ongoing criminal case. For a moment, let's focus on daily life for people like Denise Miller, because daily life remains a struggle.
Well, a lot of people still don't trust the water. They're not going to use the water.
Denise still relies on bottled water. In her kitchen, you can see the cases piled up. Whether it's tea or a meal on the stove, the water from the faucet still off limits for her.
Do you think there'll ever be a point when you trust the water?
If I haven't trusted it by now, I don't think so.
A few doors down, I meet Sabrina Richmond.
All bottled water.
And now are you buying it now, or
Yep, I'm buying it.
Yeah.
Which I can't afford all the time, but I'm not gonna mess with the Flint water.
Sabrina is a proud grandmother who on this day is showing me her family photos. Her young grandchildren are often here at her home. Thankfully, the water problems didn't drastically affect their health, but she's still scared of the water, and she won't drink it.
Will you ever trust the water in Flint again? Never.
Never. Wow. Never.
The problem for people like Denise and Sabrina, the big water donation effort has pretty much dried up. The big push to get resources right to your door, well, it's faded. Once the election wrapped up and the national media moved on, it seemed Flint was forgotten.
It's not like it was at first. You have to catch a place, if they giving it out. No, it's not like that. A lot of people probably still probably just buying the water, which I do. I just go out and buy my water.
The water switch happened 8 years ago. The consequences we now know, deadly. Karen Weaver was Flint mayor during the height of the crisis.
It is hard to believe that much time has gone by and we're having this conversation. Yeah. You would think we'd be having the conversation that you would like to have and other people would like to have as far as all fixed. Exactly.
Yeah. While those affected will likely get money from the multi-million-dollar settlement deal, many still worry about the water quality. Trust in government has been shattered, and the future for Flint, its people, and the water, it remains uncertain.
We are upset because Flint has not been made whole, whether we talk about the pipes being finished, whether we talk about the in-home infrastructure still being damaged, whether we talk about is anyone going to be held criminally responsible, and down to the unjust settlement. Yeah. So there are a lot of things that are plaguing us.
That settlement money will help thousands of people here in this community, but it could take a while before they actually see that cash in their accounts. Many also looking forward to the criminal cases as they move forward. While they were happy to see people being held responsible criminally, we all know that this case has dragged on. It has moved very slowly through the court system. The people here in Flint becoming very impatient with that process. We're live here tonight in downtown Flint. Hank Winchester, help me, Hank, Local 4.
Still some very tough roads ahead for those families. All right. Thank you, Hank.